Students, in the last part, we have learned the introduction of R.K. Narayan's writing. Now, in this part, we are going to learn this lesson from its first line. So, open page number 2. There is given the heading title of the lesson, An Astrologer's Day. So what is the meaning of astrologer? Look at here. Astrologer, it means one who studies astrology. So what is the meaning of astrology? Look at here. Astrology, it means study of the influence of the stars on people's lives. So, an astrologer's day. In this heading, there is one word, astrologer. Astrologer, it means the person who studies astrology. What is the meaning of astrology? Astrology, it is the study of the influence of the star on people's lives. It means when any star change his position, so what will happen in the particular person's life? This study is called astrology. And the person who do this kind of study, that person is called astrologer. So, an astrologer's day. In this lesson, we are going to learn about an astrologer, how he was creating with people, how he was living his life, how he was doing his business of astrology. Now listen from the first line. Punctually, look at the meaning of punctually. Punctually, it means happening or doing something at the appointed time. Punctually at midday. Midday, it means afternoon. Look at here. Punctually at midday, he opened his bag and spread out his professional equipment. What is the meaning of professional? Look at here. Professional, it means of a profession. So what is profession? Profession, it means an occupation daily work. Professional equipment. So in this line we are getting the information about that astrologer. Right on the time in the afternoon, he came on his particular spot. He sat there and then opened his bag, and from that bag he take out some equipments which he was using to predict, to tell the future of the peoples. And after taking out those equipment from his bag, he spread out that on a cloth which consisted, look at the meaning of consist, to be made up of, which consisted of the dozen cowrie. Look at the meaning. The meaning of cowrie is given here. Look at here in this blue line. The first word cowrie, a sea animal. Cowrie shell. So what is the meaning of shell? Look at here. Shell, it means hard outer covering. Dozen cowrie shells, a square piece of cloth with obscure. The meaning of obscure also given here, difficult to understand. Mystic. Mystic, the meaning of this word also given here, something that relates to supernatural powers and is not easily understood. Obscure mystic chart on it. So he take out a chart which was difficult to understand for the common people, and there were a dozen of cowries he spread on that. Then there was a notebook he had and a bundle of palmyra. The meaning of palmyra also given here, a kind of palm. This is our palm, and a kind of palm there was, that is called palmyra. Bundle of palmyra writing. So what were the equipments of this astrologer? First, dozen of cowries, then a square piece of cloth with obscure mystic charts. It means on that cloth there were something written, some kind of charts which was difficult to understand for the common people. Then there was a notebook. Then there was a bundle of palmyra writing. It means there were some kind of palm which were there, and on those palm something was written. All of these were his equipments, and he took out those from his bag and spread on that cloth at the midday. His forehead. So what is forehead? This is called forehead. I am giving you in writing also. Forehead, it means the part of the face above eyebrows. These are our eyebrows, and the part above these eyebrows is called forehead. His forehead was Resplendent. The meaning of resplendent is given here: bright, dazzling, impressive. It means his forehead was looking very bright, very shining. With sacred. Look at the meaning of sacred. I will give you here. First of all, I will claim it. Sacred, it means holy. Ash and vermilion. What is the meaning of vermilion? Look at here. It means bright red pigment. So what is the meaning of pigment? Look at here. Pigment, it means coloring matter. His forehead was resplendent with sacred ash and vermilion. It means on his forehead there was some kind of red color he used, and after that there was some holy ash also he applied on his forehead, and because of this red color and that holy ash, his forehead was shining brightly, and his eyes sparkled. Look at the meaning of sparkled. It means shine brightly. Sparkled with a sharp abnormal. The meaning of abnormal. Abnormal, it means not normal. Gleam. Look at the meaning of gleam. Gleam, it means bright light. Which was really an outcome. It means result. Outcome of a continual. Look at here. Constantly occurring. Occur, it means happen again and again. Continual searching look for customer. So in this way he sat there and his eyes were shining brightly, and his eyes were searching for new customers who will come towards him and ask for his future, and then those people will give some money to him. Therefore his eyes were searching those kind of customers. But which his simple clients took to be a prophetic. Look at the meaning of prophetic. accurately prohibiting the future. Prohibited means tell the future. Prophetic light and felt comforted. So his eyes were searching his customers, his client who will come towards him and ask for some good news. What kind of good news will happen in their life, and those people will feel comfort after hearing what will happen in their life, and in return those people will give some money to that astrologer. The power of his eyes was considerably. Look at the meaning considerably. It means lot of. Enhance. The meaning of enhance is given here. Increased. Considerably enhanced by their position placed as they were between the painted forehead and the dark whisker. Look at the meaning of whiskers. Whiskers, it means hairs growing on man's face, especially on his cheeks. So when the hairs grows on this part, those kind of hairs are called whiskers on the man's face. Whiskers which stream down his cheeks, even a half width. Look at here. Half width, it means a stupid person. Half width eyes would sparkle in such a setting. So there is given some kind of gesture of that astrologer. His forehead was painted with bright red color, and there were some holy ash he used. After that, there was a whisker on his face, and his eyes were searching for his customers, and he was looking a full person, a stupid person, but even though there was a bright light in his eyes which was attracting the other people. So today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.